in our world, any small advantage you can get from whatever you use, it pays the dividends. And having a Lang system, we just start making those parts now, and we can see the difference in the surface finishes. And now, same feeds and speed, same tools, same machines, and it's better.
We're out on our journeys again, and guess what? Another Lang system, this time Nerc Precision Engineering. Konrad, thanks for having us along. Everywhere I go I see these. Why have you bought it?
We have it because we need more safe work holding. On the base is a pre-stamping unit. So we stamp the material, we make sure that we do not introduce any more stress to the material when we hold in the vices. That's why we start with a pre-stamping unit, and then we have multiple different options from Lang to hold the parts.
So you can use it all around the workshop essentially?
We use them all around the workshop, yes, all the machines pretty much, yes.
Right, so if someone hasn't seen this system, first of all, this is a starting point, I'm assuming. Talk us through what happens here. In fact, show us.
Yeah, so you take a piece of material, right, you set it up in a pre-stamping unit, because this mimics your voice. So wherever you place your part in, the same way you're able to put that in the voice. So your loading sort of scenario is already sorted, so you know that will be in the right place. You put it against the stop, set your pressures correctly.
And basically, I'm presuming just adjusting this manual
stop, yeah,
to whatever you want.
Do whatever you want with it. Make it wherever you want it on the machine, pretty much, right?
What size billet can you go to?
As high as you want, and I think it's up to 300 mil on the actual width. We haven't tested that yet, but I think that's, because that's, like I said, it mimics the biggest micro grip vice they have, and that's 300 mil or so.
Okay, so pop it in here, set your datum essentially.
Yeah, and then just press this one, it starts clamping, you wait for the pressure builds up.
And that's a bit you like there, do you?
Yeah, that's the turbo kind of noise. And then you have a pre-stamped billet, all the annotations, and then it will locate in the same place always, right?
Okay, you say always, two things. What depth is that?
That's 3 mil. So we are holding our parts on 3 mil for various reasons, most of them saving time and money for our customers.
How's it saving time?
Less machining on the other side.
Okay.
Unless we do 5 axis, we still less machining, and then saving us money on material.
Right, so you pre-stamp the billet, it's into your vice, easy to, I mean, I know it's a vice, not complex, but it's easy to use.
Very easy. Well, I mean, I use it, so it must be easy, right? Now it's very straightforward. It's a simple press that you have a specialized sort of system to hold parts in. There's a special form that allows you to hold the parts without stressing them too much in the vices. Right. So in the old days, or still some people use it, you have those old vices when you have a lot of material, you really clamp it very hard. Right. That introduces all these stresses to the material. So you machine it, it sounds okay. Then you release the vice and the part goes all over the places, right? With this one, you don't have that issue. Not only the vices when you clamp the raw material, they give you that advantage, but also when you clamp pre-machine components, so like a second op, they also hold the parts very flat and true. Right. So it's a good system.
Excellent. So you're not stressing out material. You're getting better surface finishes ultimately.
Oh yeah. We just have that one example. We just changed
this example here.
Yeah, so we are using very small tool on this one to machine the spigots and around the spigots. And you might say, oh, it doesn't make a difference when you have something like that, but it does. In our world, any small advantage you can get from whatever you use, it pays the dividends, right? And having a Lang system, we just start making those parts now, and we can see the difference in the surface finishes. The small spigots, they used to be a bit more like rough finish. Yep. And now, same feeds and speed, same tools, same machines, and it's better. So I only can point to this one, right? Excellent.
Now, very quickly though, it's a modular system, so you've got your vice, 0-point system, so vice into here, but also, what's this here?
This is a 90-degree tower, so that locates on a 0 point, and then with a vice, the vice can go this way, that way, or any 90-degree way, which means we can produce a part, that sort of finish on the side, and then on the other one as well. So pretty much we put the vice in there, clamp it, unclamp it, put it all the way around, clamp it, done.
It's giving you a lot of flexibility.
It's our easier way to get 4-axis machine, because we don't really have 4-axis work that much, but for something like that, like 3+2 machine kind of thing, that's perfect.
It's brilliant. Okay, so saving you time, repeatable. I'm throwing these all at you because one final thing I want to finish up is when you see your competition using different vices, it makes you happy because it means you can get a better product out of these vices.
Yes, it means from the start I'm in a better place.
Brilliant. Konrad, Nerc Precision Engineering, using the Lang system. Absolutely love it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Colin.